Today I'm going to show you how to manage a Kanban board in Jira. Alright, so currently we are in a list view right now. We want to go into spaces, choose the space that you want to view, and make sure that you can see board over here. Okay, now what you can do is go over to the plus icon if you do not see board, and you'll actually find it here. Just click on it, it'll add this to your navigation bar. Go ahead, once it's up there, click on board. Now, this is the lovely part. Here you can basically go and create items in here. Okay, so first of all, you can see every one of the items in a to-do list, in your in progress list, in your testing, or in done. You can also change the group over here. So let's just say we're going to say none. You can filter out over here what you actually see and what you don't want to see. You can manage workflows. You can add in custom filters over here, and then you can also configure your board, which is fantastic. So I like to go in here and move stuff around and add items directly. So to show you what that may look like, I'm going to go into one of my other spaces, and here we're going to click on board again. Here you can see from idea to do to progress, testing, and done. All of these items are in here. Now, what you actually want to do is click on each one of these items, and this will now open up that item. Here you can change a whole bunch of things, and this is what really makes this not a board but a Kanban view, right? So you can add things like a description for this task as well as subtasks within the task, and then you can link other work to this particular task. Coming over here to the right hand side, the details include choosing somebody to be assigned to this task, choosing a priority from highest all the way down to lowest, choosing a due date, which you can use by clicking on the calendar, and then thereafter some other things that can be done is adding labels. Now currently we don't have any labels, but you can add labels in over here. You can also assign different teams if you have more than one team here, and then you can also choose a start date. You can now see that there is the opportunity to create a branch and to create a commit, and then change the reporter. So this is who you will be reporting to. So your assignee will be reporting directly to this person. You also have the opportunity to add in automations over here. Here you can set rules and run rules here. So basically what will happen is if one action occurs, another one will follow, and you can configure that all right in over here. This is a great way to create a Kanban view. Here you can also click down and drag these cards from one list to another, and you'll be able to see all of the details right down over here.